Bon dia, farm fam. Welcome back to New Life Azores. We are here at this beautiful property that you guys have seen in some of the other previous videos. Yes, everything has become overgrown again. So we're bushwhacking our way down. This is where we're going to be planting the 100 banana trees. And today we are going to be measuring the placement and marking them. And then we're going to control some of the weeds and make sure that we're not spraying anywhere close to where we're going to be planting the actual banana trees. But look how beautiful it is over here. Look at these flowers. They're so cool. It's a little bit gray today, but the temperature is really nice. Look at all the wildflowers. The bees are probably loving it over here. So pretty. Even though it's a little bit gray, a little bit of sprinkles, it's still around 65 degrees or so. It's really nice outside right now. It's beautiful. I made it to the storage shed. It's so nice back here. It's so peaceful. And the guys are way ahead of me. So I think I can just follow their little trail of pushed down grass from walking and catch up with them. Yeah, but we did at one point in time have all this cleared out right here. We were working to get a lot of this bamboo out of the way, and we ended up using a lot of that bamboo for supports for the banana trees. It's a jungle. It is a jungle. The Azore Islands are semi-tropical islands, so it makes sense that all of this would be grown so quickly. I mean, we didn't touch the trees, but all this shrubbery was once weed whacked. Just making my way downtown. There they are. It's like an open quarry over there. Pretty sure that's grapevine. I want to go camping in here so bad. There's already some banana trees over here. So this row right here is the banana trees that they planted last year. They were just itty bitty little things. Now they're getting bigger. They look a little shredded right now because they've been getting a lot of wind, but that'll go away once the plant gets a little bit bigger. Check out this seed pod. So cool, huh? There's a whole bunch of them. You guys, I have the best seat in the house. Call me Annie the tree hugger. More like tree climber. The dirt is so hard. Here's another cool seed pod. So this is a chestnut tree. 2 autumn seasons ago, I tried chestnuts for the first time. And I love them. They're so yummy. We found some eggs. Some wild chicken eggs. We're gonna move that nest carefully. That is some serious skill right there. Wow. Bravo, bravo. Guys, look at the pretty blue color of the cafe. So pretty. It's another day and we are back here on the farm, of course. Today is Friday, the 24th, the last big work day of the week. I haven't spent that much time on the farm, but I have something to show you guys. All right, you guys, this is that plot of land over here in Port Judeo that you've seen where Logan was helping us space the potatoes and plant all the vegetation. The potatoes, this is all potatoes right here. They still haven't started growing, but the eyes on them were kind of small, so it's a little bit expected. But ready for this? Bam! Boom, boom, bow, bow, boom, 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 bow. So we have lots of vegetation growing here. For some reason, these 2 rows didn't take. Those were last year's seeds right there. Maybe we'll end up planting something if they don't end up coming up. But if you can see all the way back there, that's the hedge. And it's doing fantabulous. We finally got some rain this week. That's why there's not as many farm videos. And then if you come on over here, we got some stuff growing. Yes. Beautiful. So we're gonna get some veggies. And then this is all corn on this side. And the corn is starting to come up. It's gonna be awesome. This is all corn for the family right here, all sweet corn. Shawn's down here grabbing some hay for the cows, for the bulls. It's corn.
Come on.
Well, I was hoping that I was going to record a nice long video for you guys today, but unfortunately Shawn pulled a muscle and is not going to be able to use the tiller and stuff today, so we're probably just going to feed the bulls and call it a day. But you know, these things happen when you're working a hard labor job. Come on! You can't go through there, you big dork. You can't squeeze through the fence. Come eat. Come get your food. Why are you headbutting him? He's like, go, you go first.
They know that until I go up there, they don't want to come down.
Oh, yeah.
They know the sound down here.
Number 10 sniffing the bag. I know there's something in there for me. Kind of a gray day today, but it's still pretty early. We got some blue skies over here, but I think it's probably going to end up at least sprinkling again today, which is good. You guys saw those crops. That's super exciting to have everything starting to grow. Plus I'm getting strawberries on my balcony. I have 14, I believe, strawberry plants growing on my balcony. I got a little small handful of strawberries the other day, and it looks like they're majorly starting to bloom. So I'm excited to have strawberries. Now Shawn has the Hasson. Number 11 is like, I know what's in there. And then number 10 is going to come around and eat the Hasson there. They're getting big though. They're starting to have that low chest like a real full-grown bull does.
Took care of the rats because I spilled a little bit of Hasson yesterday. Not even touched.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that we were having a rat problem over there.
There's a rat problem all over the island.
Yeah, that's true.
Rat problem everywhere.
We need to get some more cats.
Nothing but rats. There's not enough. They need to have snakes on this island. They have no like predators. Wipe them out.
The rats probably get really big too.
There's a lot of cats, but those cats are like only double the size of a rat.
That's true. They're smaller cats.
Cats eat mice, not rats.
Yeah. This grass is getting so tall. It is, in some spots, almost up to the window of the truck. So we are over here at the banana trees. Just checking on everything. Everything is beautiful. We got some rain. The sun is starting to shine now. It's a huge banana tree back there. But you guys know we are going to be planting 100 banana trees, and this is how we're going to do it. Oh, there's a little spider. So after this bunch gets chopped right here, we'll chop the whole tree right here because it only produces one bunch of bananas. Then you see these little babies at the bottom. We'll probably leave this big one in this place. But these two, this one and that one, can actually be dug up, separated from the new mother, and transplanted into a different spot. And we have if you can see, we have a lot of babies right now. So this one already has a almost adult daughter. So again, as soon as this bunch here is chopped, then we'll chop that tree, and this will be the new mother here. There's another baby. But almost every tree has a baby right now. Even this one right here. You can see this tree was already chopped right here. And now another one's growing, and there's a little baby right there. So that one might stay. Some more babies. And this right here is like perfect. This is how we want them kind of staggered right here. Where this one is gonna grow, it's gonna be chopped soon. This one's gonna grow up, be chopped, and we might move that one, I'm not sure, but that's pretty much what we want it to look like. This one is probably too overgrown, where we have a big banana tree here and other big ones growing from the same spot. That's probably a little bit overgrown. There is some stuff that's overgrown in here. That's the whole entire reason why we need to get it done pretty quickly. Sometimes when I'm in here, I like to just stop and listen to the birds. Potatoes! What a beautiful crop of potatoes. So perfect. All right, you guys, so for the most part, it was a short video. It was a short week, but I do want to share one of the highlights of this week with you, and that is Shawn actually witnessed a baby calf being born. Unfortunately, he didn't get to get the camera out right away, but he did catch like the aftermath, not the afterbirth, thank goodness, but the aftermath. And I wanted to share a couple of cute clips with you guys.
Look, this baby was born right in front of me. Just now I seen it. If I hadn't had gloves on, I could zoom in. Just right now, it's all wobbly and everything. See? It was just born right in front of my eyes. They've been having a lot of babies, looks like.
If you're wondering why I'm wearing glasses inside, it's not because I'm hungover, I promise. I have a infection in my eye, and I don't want to come on here looking like Quasimodo and scare you guys. So for now, I will be wearing my glasses during this portion of the video. Also, since it's kind of a short video, it gives me a chance to kind of chat with you guys. Some of you have already watched the video where I sit and chat with my friend Tanya. And at the end of that video, I kind of explain a little bit about what's going on with the monetization process with myself and YouTube. But yes, unfortunately, we have not been able to get our monetization approved. It has something to do with like us moving from the United States and now residing in Portugal. There's some paperwork that is a little bit tedious that needs to be wrapped up, and it might take a little time to get that all together. So, and YouTube, they can be kind of, I don't want to say picky, but they're very careful with who they're monetizing. So even though back in, I want to say December, maybe a couple of months prior to that, we did hit 1,000 subscribers, which means technically we could have become monetized at that time. I did try and it didn't go through, unfortunately. So that's a work in progress. And then that also kind of sets us back a little bit with the Patreon group that we had tried to start. I think that I'm still able to have the Patreon group. I just can't accept any of the funds that are there from the Patreon group just yet. So it's up to you guys. If you do join the Patreon group and you are contributing monthly, know that eventually I will get that. We will, the farm fam will eventually get that money, but as of right now, it's not coming through. The only way right now that we are able to accept any funds, because I know some of you guys have reached out to me, quite a few actually are like, where can I send you coffee money? We want to contribute and things like that. So right now, the merchandise shop is the only place that we can receive any funding for on behalf of the channel, which I guess is okay because you're getting something in return. You're getting some awesome merchandise. We have Terceira merch, we have Azores merch, New Life Azores merch from the channel, and Farm Fam merch there as well too. So this again, this being a short week gives me opportunity to actually come on here and share some of those designs, because so far I believe I've only been able to share the designs on my Facebook page. All of the designs that you've seen in that slideshow are original New Life Azores designs. As of right now, my goal is to get out a new weekly design, but you guys know I don't like making empty promises. So I will keep you guys posted when new designs come out on my Facebook. There should be a new design up this weekend. I'm kind of going with the whole soccer/football theme. And it will be something along those lines. So one more thing that I am adding to the merchandise shop is special requests for family reunions. So if you guys are having a family reunion and you guys want to create your own, design for your t-shirts, feel free to send me a friend request, give me the idea of what you would like your design to look like. I can come up with something, send it to you, and then make it available in the merchandise shop. So all you have to do is click, 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 order your shirts, and they should be able to get to you within a week or so. Most people who are ordering do receive their shipment within 10 days, but I've seen them come as early as 3 to 5 business days, which is awesome. But if you guys are interested in contributing to Farm Fam or to the merchandise shop, know that all the proceeds go to expanding the family farm and creating new adventures, new videos for us to share with you guys. So I'm going to put the link of the merchandise shop in the description below, and basically you just click on the title of this video, a description pops up, scroll through, and you'll be able to see the merchandise channel, or the merchandise shop, there. Also, if you guys are interested in requesting me as a friend on Facebook, you can find me under Annie Nova, ANNIENOVA. And the link to my Facebook is also going to be in the description of this video. But I just want to, thank you guys, especially the folks that have been there from the very beginning. Thank you for liking and subscribing. The more you like the videos, the more you subscribe, the more the YouTube algorithm puts the videos out there for other people to be able to, see, share, and enjoy. And if I could give somebody a little bit of knowledge or a little bit of information about, visiting the islands or moving to the islands, then we have succeeded one of our goals with the channel. Those of you who've been watching us from the very beginning know that I created this channel to share longer videos with my close friends and family. And then I realized that prior to moving out here, there's not a lot of information about the Azores and Terceira Island on YouTube or really out there in general. So this is a way of being able to like expose the islands a little bit more and give you guys a little bit more information about coming here and visiting here and possibly, you know, having the Terceira be your future home as well. But yeah, send me a friend request if you like to. I will accept your friend request, but please send me a message alongside of it. I have been getting a lot of spam lately, and it's a good way for me to be able to weed out, you know, what's spam and what's not. So thank you guys again. I appreciate each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching and following along. Bye for now.